Hey guys, it's Neel here, and today we're drawing a car. Like, we draw the robot character right now. And first we always have to start with the mirror and start with the tires first. Okay, let's do one circle. Two circles actually, like that. Then do another circle on the top. Okay, and then you add a circle in the middle, like how we made this line. But this, and we make a little circle in the middle, make lines coming out. Like this, then another one, then another line. A second line, like that. But we'll add this to connect the tire. We'll add a dot there, and then we'll put a dot, curve it a little bit down into the tire, and then make a little line, and then go down to the car. And the second one, add your mirror like that. And then you'll connect it down here. You have to connect the mirror. Then do the same thing to your tire. If you want to make the car blue, do this on the bottom. It's perfect. If you want to make white, just color the whole paper. But we're gonna make two cars in a race. This is gonna be amazing, and I hope you like it. Okay, then we will cut. Then we'll add a line, a curve, and add a light. That's this. Like that. Then add a light, circle light this time. Well, this time it's going to be blue. And then we'll draw the second card. It will be a bit more different. And then let's get coloring. Now you will draw a rear side of this car. You can add same thing but a red color. Like that. Make it fit. just getting lighter. Color. Now we'll use the red glue, but this time it will just spray this. A couple of like. Now I'll color the whole car in red glue. That's what that car's gonna be all the way, the way. You know what? I'll make this red to make it slimy. Just let me bolt. No paint up front. Like this. Now you'll use some red to make it cool. Forgot to make the spoiler. Okay, that I want to make that white. Spoiler the Ferrari. So okay, red. Hey, remember there was this new Corvette that this guy broke the window, jumped to another building? It's this kind of car. A supercar. Boom. Look at that. Now, if you want to make it look at night, do this. The moon, it's the moon. Sometimes you want to make full moon shiny, so do that. It's shiny. Bright lips. And if you want to make it black on the strips, this like that. And so there's another car racing with another car.
So one car is red and one car is blue?
Yeah. This is the newest one.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, guys, go on YouTube. You'll see this guy who has this car of a Corvette. It's so cool. And she like broke the window of the building. And it was so high. She like jumped out of the building with the car. She landed into another flat. And then she did it, and then she landed to the ground and she broke the second window. And then she did a drift.
Okay, and you like that? That's why you do this?
Yeah, I like this one. It was amazing.
So 2 cars. And what's that circle?
Which circle? This? Moon. They're driving in the night. That's how supercars live, to be cool.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yeah, so bye.